Hello and welcome back again to my channel. If it's the very first time of coming across this channel, hello, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to prepare your chicken stew, Nigerian chicken stew. Okay, if this is what you're really interested to know, please sit back, relax and enjoy. First, I'll start by prepping my chicken. I went in with my salt, my blended garlic and ginger, some onion, some pepper, my bay leaves, and my Lasor chicken spice. I'm equally going to go in with my thyme, some mixed spice, and I'm equally going to add my curry leaf. I love the flavor that oozes off from this. Okay, I'm going to add in my chicken cube as well, and I'm going to allow that to marinate for 10 minutes before I have to start cooking. Okay, after marinating for 10 minutes, I'm going to turn on my cooking gas and start cooking, and I'll allow this to cook up its water before I have to go in with my water. Okay, I'll go in with enough water that I can be able to cook this chicken done. So I'm going to give this a quick stir and go in with enough water that can cook this chicken done. So while that is cooking, I'm going to start prepping my tomato mix. Okay, this includes my tomato, my scotch pepper, my green pepper and my onion. Okay, I'm going to cook this to take out those sour taste. While that is done, I'm going to blend them properly and set it aside. At this point, I'm going to go in with my onion and my chicken and start frying. I'll fry until a golden brown color develops. At this point, I'll be taking it out. Okay, I'll continue this process until I'm done with the remaining chicken. At this point, I'll go in with the onion that I'll be frying my tomato mix together. I'm going to add my tomato mix and give it a quick stir as well, and I'll also go in with my blended garlic and ginger mix as well. So I'm going to fry stir this on a medium heat for like 20 minutes before I have to go in with my salt and chicken cube. Okay, and I'll equally give this a quick stir, and I'll fry stir again for another 10 minutes before I have to go in with my seasoning. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this is to reduce that sour taste, and the salt is for taste. So at this point, I'll be going in with my Lasor chicken spice again, and I'll equally give that a quick stir as well after adding this. And remember, you'll be fry stirring this on a medium heat. This is like 10 minutes later. I'm going to go in with my seasoning. Okay, I went in with my Lasor chicken seasoning. This gives a different taste altogether in your stew. So I'm going to give that a quick stir as well and allow that to simmer before I have to go in with my curry leaf. Okay, this curry leaf gives a different flavoring altogether in your stew, so don't skip this in your stew if you want to prepare that Nigerian tomato stew. At this point, I'll start going in with my fried chicken. Okay, and I'll equally fry them for a little bit so that this stew can sink in right into this chicken. And I'll equally be going in with my chicken stock. That's the stock I got from my chicken. And I'll equally cover that to simmer for like 2 minutes before I have to turn off my cooking gas. So at this point, this stew is ready. Guys, at this point I'm going to have my stew with my white rice. Okay, I want to know in the comment section what you are going to have yours with. Our chicken stew is ready. And if you're still watching up to this moment and you haven't subscribed yet, please darling, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you and see you all in my next video. Bye.